Alrighty, in the bunkhouse. So, the bedroom closet, I got the curtains up, but I need to finish off the face of this. So I need to cut a 2x4, and then I need to cut the fascia boards that go on front of it. And we need to put the shelf in, and we need to cover the inside of there. So this is just a bunch of busy work, but it needs to get done. So, yeah. Here we go. Right, I gotta cut some wood. I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I got my board cut for this. I got my little pieces cut for the side over here. We're going to clean these up and throw some paint on them. I also got my cover pieces for up there. So we're going to clean those up, paint them, prime them, paint them, and then I'll be back for hanging those up and doing the shelf. So thanks for watching, guys. More to come. Alright, got all my pieces assembled. And I need nails. I'll be right back. Okay, so first piece that's up is our wall piece here. Then we're going to do the bottom guy. Then the 2x4 up here. Then I can hang the little pieces to that. Then we got corners. That's the roll, but it's going to be noisy, so I'm going to speed this all up and you won't even notice.